Hello, and welcome to SAIC's AUSA annual meeting booth. My name is Avania, and I will be your tour guide showcasing our solutions. Let's start with counter-UAS. SAIC has designed a counter-UAS solution that integrates more than 25 drone sensors and effectors, enabling quick decision-making with fewer personal needs for operational missions. Our system is capable of detecting, tracking, identifying, and defeating UAS threats at home and abroad. Now, let's move to our innovative cloud solution. SAIC's CloudSend is a multi-cloud capability with a unified delivery portal that ensures all data requests are managed effectively to protect mission-critical resources. The data resides in secure landing zones and enables a zero-trust architecture to maintain compliance and security. Did you know which company was the first to man and support the establishment of the Army's Open Source Intelligence Office in 2015? The answer is SAIC. Now, let's move on to ReadyOne. ReadyOne is a rapidly deployable platform for digital engineering and product lifecycle management applications. Our platform provides engineers access to their digital engineering applications and workloads at any time, from anywhere and on any device, starting on day one of any program. Well, this concludes our tour. Thank you for taking the time to learn about tomorrow's technologies today.